Hi there. My name is Jocelyn Canty, and I'm an MPH student at UC Davis. I have a background in animal science and was interested in expanding my knowledge of the One Health approach and understanding how this model looks in a research setting. I had the opportunity to work with the Perez Lab under Alda Perez in the Department of Population Health and Reproduction as part of my summer work experience. I contributed to several exciting projects, including one awarded by the Center of Produce Safety and another supported by the Organic Agriculture Research and Extension Initiative. The CPS project is about creating a user-friendly, web-based tool that helps farmers assess food safety risks in their fresh produce operations. The tool will help them make informed decisions on how to prevent contamination and reduce potential risks. One of the project's main goals is to gather feedback from key stakeholders through focus groups. These focus groups provide valuable insights, helping shape the risk model and identify any gaps in current knowledge. I was able to participate in the focus groups via Zoom. I helped with structured note-taking, following a prepared interview guide, and after the sessions, our team debriefed to discuss the feedback we received and to analyze the qualitative data collected. We also brainstormed how we could refine the process, improving our interview questions and enhancing engagement with participants. Additionally, I did independent research to make recommendations for developing the lab's protocol for collecting and analyzing data, essential for building the risk assessment tool. Contamination from E. coli in fresh produce is a serious issue in agriculture, and there's still a lot we need to learn, especially about how things like wildlife intrusion and contaminated water may contribute to risk. The OREI project, for example, focuses on lowering barriers for organic farmers by developing tools and training them to meet food safety standards. As part of my work, I conducted a literature review for both projects, focusing on how pathogens contaminate fresh produce. I worked closely with graduate students in the lab to extract data from the literature, specifically on how wildlife intrusion impacts fresh produce contamination. We gathered key data and used it to create scenario trees, visualizing how these contamination pathways unfold. These visual models will help in developing the risk assessment tool for both the CPS and OREI projects. In addition to this, I assisted with a separate project that looked at pathogen contamination in compost. This involved visiting commercial compost facilities across California, where I helped collect and process compost samples. I even got the chance to engage directly with stakeholders and shadow some of the wet lab procedures. Overall, this summer was an incredible experience. Working with the Perez Lab gave me hands-on opportunities to contribute to important food safety research. As an MPH student, it increased my perspective on potential career avenues, in addition to enhancing my ability to compile and convey scientific information. I'm grateful for everything I've learned, and I'm excited about the impact these projects will have on agriculture and food safety in the future. Thank you for watching.